Look how beautiful these are looking. Oh.
Well, hello, it's dinner time at Big Papa's. Little Louie and I, she's ready for some tacos. We're gonna make some different kind of tacos today. We're gonna cook some ground turkey quesatacos. They're on flour tortillas, they're cooked on the griddle, and they're a combination like a hybrid between a taco and a quesadilla. Start with a pound of ground turkey. Siete taco seasoning. Now we have some sweet onion, about a third of a sweet onion. We have about a half of a red bell pepper and half of a jalapeno that I've diced. And we're gonna mix that with the turkey. Then we're gonna brown the turkey meat and cook it on the griddle. When it gets brown, we're gonna pour the taco seasoning, then we're gonna pull it in this bowl, and we're gonna build the quesatacos, which you're gonna use Mexican cheese, salsa, little taco sauce for fun, the secret weapon, Big Papa's Hallelujah, right here, and Hallelujah lime. I also have, since little Louie's not on a program, she gets normal flour tortillas. I'm going low carb. Okay, I'll see you outside. We're gonna make these and they're gonna be a blast. Okay, get some oil here. Let it heat up just a little bit. Let's grab our turkey. Hallelujah lime. Some regular hallelujah. The vegetables. Chip them with the hallelujah lime and the hallelujah. Just a little more oil. Fold all this in here. Oh, these are going to be good. Be sure to check out our new website, www.bigpapasmokers.com. It's got some really fun stuff, real great features, and easy checkout. So we're going to make sure the vegetables get a little bit softened and the turkey gets a little more brown. We're getting close to putting the taco seasoning in there. Just nice, really kind of Americanized tacos, but these are going to be good for you. They're very low in fat, low carb, and they're going to taste good because I can't possibly be on any kind of a program where I don't eat well. So something I like to do too is, in addition to the taco sauce, let's put some nice medium salsa in there because turkey doesn't have a lot of flavor. So we're going to kind of put about 3 or 4 little teaspoons in there and then mix it up good. How's that looking, kids? I think it's looking pretty good. Let me see how it tastes. Super good. It's always great when a plan works out. Look, it filled the bowl. How did I know? Okay, now let's get ready for the tacos. This happens really quick. Give a good scrape down to the grill. Lower the temp just a hair. Now let's make Papa's first. Okay, this has to be fast because it's hot. Too for Papa. I got these neat little cheese discs here. They're actually cheese. Like I said, we got to do this quick now. Quesatacos. Quesadilla, taco. Off to one side. More here. Look how beautiful these are looking. Oh. So mine up here. We're going to take them in and doctor them a little bit. Don't you worry about that. Right, here comes little Louie. I'll make her 2 just in case. Flip these over. Oh, beautiful. A little cheese in here.
Across the whole thing. Quesatacos, turkey quesatacos. It's all those New Year's resolutions, but you don't want to give up flavor. You want to have some fun. Okay, let's flip these over. Pop it. Papa Bear, Mama Bear. Let's build these bad boys.
Let's open mine up a little bit. Put some crema. I like to poke a hole in the crema, and then I can kind of do this trendy thing. Then I'll put some lettuce in there, some avocado, dash more cheese, and this bad boy's done. Okay, flip this over here. Crema, some lettuce, a little bit of avocado, and these are done. Okay, Papas are done, and Louie's are done.